Hello, I would like to tell you about the new 2Shapes command for Rhino. In the Transform tab, we will find a quick array on curve. This tool allows us to copy objects on a curve. To do this, we must select an object or a set of objects. Several objects can be selected. The second step is to select the curve to which we want to apply the objects. As with other commands, we can see the preview and modify the number of copies. For this exercise, we will use 4 copies. We can also modify the distance between objects. We can define the alignment to the left, in the center, or to the right. Remember that it will depend on the direction of the curve. We also have the option to justify. In this case, the distance does not make any alteration. In addition, we have an option called Mode. To see it better, we will switch to Wireframe Display Mode. We see that the center of the objects is in the center of the curve, but perhaps we want to align to the bounding box in some cases. We can select the center or the bounding box. It is very easy. In addition, we have options for rotation. We'll use 45 degrees, and we can also move in Z. Let's take a look at another case. This one is more complex. In this case, we don't have a good orientation. Then we can select a geometry, which will help us orient our objects, and we can select the surface. We will eliminate the rotation. In this case, we have used a surface, but we can select a group of objects if you are using sub D, or if it is a mesh. It doesn't matter. It is very simple. Once done, just click on Commit the changes. That's all. Thanks for watching.